Great news! A piece of Long Island history will remain intact for years to come. Hi, I'm Rory McNish, and this is a Marine Minute Monday. Ed Warner Sr. Marine Park at the base of the Ponquogue Bridge in Hampton Bays was devastated by Hurricane Sandy, and it was initially thought that the old bridge structure, an iconic dive destination and fish pier, was too far gone to save it. But due to the efforts of some key stakeholders, Southampton Town realized the importance of the bridge to the diverse community that uses it and decided to restore it. Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program was asked to create signage for the park as a part of the public outreach effort led by Hampton Bays Rotary Club. The signage we produced showcases the underwater and coastal environments of the area. Recently, there were 2 ribbon-cutting ceremonies to mark the official reopening of the bridge. An underwater one executed by the Long Island Diver Association, and a more conventional land-based one hosted by the town of Southampton. Next time you're in Hampton Bays, be sure to check out this great destination and our informational signs.